Unraveling the mystery. Cross someone's mind. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Cross someone's mind. It's a phrase that pops up in conversations, books, and movies, and understanding it can really enrich your comprehension and expression in English. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. When we say that something crosses your mind, we're talking about a thought or idea that comes into your head unexpectedly or briefly. It's like a bird flying across the sky of your thoughts. It appears suddenly, might linger a bit, and then it's gone. This phrase captures the fleeting, sometimes surprising nature of our thoughts. For example, if you're working and suddenly remember you need to buy milk, you can say, "It just crossed my mind that I need to buy milk." It's not something you were actively thinking about. It just appeared in your thought process out of nowhere. Using cross someone's mind in sentences is quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. It's often used in the past tense because we're usually talking about a thought that occurred to us at an earlier time. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use it. While walking through the park, it crossed my mind that I hadn't called my mom in a while. Did it ever cross your mind that maybe he didn't receive your message? The idea of moving to a new city never crossed my mind until I visited London. One common mistake learners make is confusing cross someone's mind with phrases that have similar words but different meanings, such as change someone's mind or on someone's mind. To clarify, change someone's mind means to convince someone to alter their opinion or decision. On someone's mind means something is being actively thought about or worried over by someone. It's important to distinguish between these phrases to use them correctly in conversation. Understanding phrases like cross someone's mind is a step forward in mastering the nuances of the English language. It's not just about the words themselves but the vivid images and situations they conjure up in our conversations and stories. We hope this explanation has helped clarify this phrase for you, and you'll feel more confident using it in your own English communications. Thank you for watching, and remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new shade of meaning in the world of English. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.